Hello, I'm here today in Capgemini's Paris headquarters with Aiman Ezzat, our Group's Chief Operating Officer and Group CFO, to comment the first quarter's financial revenues. So Aiman, welcome. Can you share a few words on the highlights of these financial revenues and also on the momentum that we've been seeing in the first quarter?
Hello, we started the year with an excellent momentum. Our revenues reached 3.2 billion euros in the first quarter, leading to a 7.2% constant currency growth rate, substantially higher than the 4% we recorded in full year 2017. Now, more importantly, this is fueled by a strong organic growth rate of 6.1%.
This is a great performance. Which particular areas is it coming from?
First thing to highlight is the dynamism we experience on both sides of the Atlantic. North America, where growth remains particularly strong at 14.8%, and continental Europe with double-digit growth in Germany, Sweden, Italy, and also strong performance in France. Traction in the consumer product sector has been impressive with 19% growth. We are clearly reaping the benefits of the investment we made in recent quarters and the deal we won in the second half of last year. Finally, manufacturing and financial services also benefit from solid customer demand driven by digital and cloud, and perform very well with high single-digit growth.
And what about our bookings?
Bookings this quarter were particularly strong, up 15% at 3.2 billion euro. All this clearly shows that we continue to win market share. Our portfolio of services is well aligned with customer demand for digital services and competitiveness.
There's a lot of demand from our clients in terms of innovation. How are we doing on the group's innovation agenda?
Let's start with our digital and cloud service offerings. These are key drivers and strong differentiators in the market. They grew 20% year-on-year in Q1 and represent more than 40% of group revenues. What's noteworthy today is the increasing size of digital contracts driven by growing demand from clients for larger scale implementation. Today, innovation is really fueling growth across the portfolio, and I can highlight 4 areas which are particularly dynamic: SAP S/4HANA, product lifecycle management, automation, but also artificial intelligence. These definitely enrich and support our innovation growth agenda, often going beyond our reach in digital and cloud.
Can you comment on the value brought by our acquisitions as well?
Well, we are very pleased by how the rapid leverage of acquisitions has contributed to our success. The new talent that recently joined Capgemini as part of IDN, Itelios, or Lines Consulting Group have been instrumental in securing some significant deals for the group. Last month, we finalized the acquisition of Liquid Hub, a digital customer engagement firm. This represents a major milestone in the acceleration of our digital services growth in North America. Of course, we'll continue to invest in our talents and offerings with more targeted acquisition as we move forward, and this will continue to fuel and contribute to our organic growth.
Now, Aiman, a few words to close today. How do you think we're doing against our 2018 objectives overall?
Based on the first quarter, I'm pleased to say we are ahead of our growth plan for 2018. We are well on track to achieve our full year objective of 6 to 7% constant currency growth. We also confirm our objective to increase profitability by lifting the operating margin to 12 to 12.2% and generate an organic free cash flow above 1 billion.
Aiman Ezzat, thank you.
Thank you.